assets and get what? And collect contract price, which is how much? 43. Remember in the question. So when you get the 43 naira, the second action is what? It will now go back to the bank and pay your loan. Pay your loan. And how much is your loan? Is equal to 40 into what? The loan at this 5% multiplied by 1/4, that is 3/12, which is equal to, when you press it the way we press that time, it will give you 40 naira and 50 and 5 kobo. So this is what you now pay to the financial institution. And what should be your profit? Your profit will be the amount you collected as stock future price, which is 43, minus the one you pay to the financial house, which is 40 naira and 50 kobo or 5 kobo. So the difference will be what? It will be 2 naira 50 kobo. 50 naira 50 kobo. Oh, beg your pardon, this is 50 kobo. This is 40 naira 50 kobo. So the balance will be 2 naira 50 kobo. That will be your gain. And the next thing you will now do is that, as an arbitrator, so you short one share, that is, you sell one share. What I'm saying is, if the price is what? Is 39, that is, we are talking about the B part now. If the price is 39, remember in our question we are told that the price is yes, is 39. If the price is 39, the advantage you can take here is that, as an arbitrator, you will sell one share. When you sell that share, that is mean short one share. That will be at what? At 39. Invest the proceed of the share where? At 5%, and take a long position. You do what? You take a longer position. Sell one share at what? At 39 naira, and you take a long position. Take a longer position, that is to deliver the share, sorry, to buy the share. When you take a decision to buy the share back, you know, this the share you short that, you sell the share at 39, and at the rate of what? At 5%, and for 3 months. And what you get, it is 39 at 5% for 3 months. And what this will give you, sorry, we are selling at 40 naira, not 39. Please beg your pardon. You know, the price is 39, and that is how much you sell it. You sell at at 40. You sell it at 40, and at the end of the day you get 40 naira 50 kobo. Remember, the price is 49 naira now. I'm sorry, it's 39 naira. Please don't be confused. The price is 39 naira, and you are not selling it at 39, you are selling at 40. Let's also correct this one. You start one share at 40 naira, so you sell it at 40 naira, and you will invest this 40 naira at 5% for 3 months. Let me come again. You sell share at 40 naira. If the price is below the theoretical price, if the price is below the theoretical price, you sell the share at what? At 40 naira, and you invest that amount at what? At 5% multiplied by 3 months. Divide 12. So what you will get at the end of 3 months from your investment is 40 naira 50 kobo. And the long position you took, remember I said you take a long position in the market, Abby. This long position you took will require you to do what? To take delivery of an asset, and the delivery of assets that happens to be what? To be at 39 naira. And when you collect 40 naira from the investment house, when you invest the proceeds of the share you sold initially, what will happen? It will be 40 naira 50 kobo minus 39 naira that you have to pay to the other party, the short position holder, and the difference will be 1 naira 50 kobo. So that will be your gain. This will be your gain. So 1 naira 50 kobo is your gain. If the price of the asset is at 39, and if the price of asset is at 43, your gain is 2 naira 50 kobo. If it's at 39, your gain is what? Is 1 naira 50 kobo. That is how you take advantage. That is how you take the advantage in the future market. So that is for asset that does not pay any income. And when you are talking of assets that have now pays a known income, how do we do that? For asset that pays what? That pay a known cash income. Here we will consider the investment asset with a known income. My income will be in form of a dividend, and could be in form of a coupon. And our formula will now change to this. That is, our theoretical price will be stock price minus present value of the dividend, all in bracket. I said it will be like this. Our theoretical price will be stock price, that is a price at in the station, that is spot price, minus present value of the dividend that is paying, or the present value of the coupon that stock is paying, minus what? Everything into exponential into R and T. Why do you remove the present value of the dividend from stock price? Before you can know the actual price of what you are buying, you have to remove the benefit you get from that and to remain only the cost. So the benefit from the stock is the dividend. Remove it from that dividend. Is dividend. Remove it from the price of that stock. So the cost of that stock is what you are actually paying. That is what is called the theoretical price of that stock. I'm not talking of theoretical price of the future now, but theoretical of the stock, or of your pure expenses. Your pure expenses is what? Is when you remove dividend from the stock price. And the dividend, as I said, is the present value of the dividend, or it could be present value of the any income, either coupon or what. So this is the formula. Let's look at this example. Example says, consider a long futures contract to purchase a coupon bearing bond whose current price is what? Is 900. So the contract matures in 9 months. Suppose that a coupon payment is 40 naira, and this is expected after 4 months, and the 4-month and 9-month risk-free interest rates are continuously compounded at what? Are respectively 30 and 3% and 4% per annum. What is the theoretical price of the future of the futures? That is, as I said the other time, stock price minus present value of the coupon into exponential R and raised to power rate times the time. What the question says is the current price. Current price is what? Is 900. But before we go to that, let's first of all find out what is the present value of our dividend. The present value of our dividend is equal to what? Is equal to AE minus RT, where A is the dividend. This is our normal exponential. This is R. This is T. This minus is when you are discounting it. That's the only sign that makes it that you are discounting it. And what's our dividend or the income? The income is 40 naira, and the present value of 40 naira will be what? What's our minus R? What's our R? Now what will happen here? The rate. Remember, the question says it is the income is expected in 4 months, Abby. So we use the rate for 4 months. And what is the rate for 4 months? The rate for 4 months is what? Is 3%. So it is 3% we use here, 0.03 multiplied by what? Time. What's our time? The time we also use here is 4 months. That is 4 all over 12. So if you press your calculator the way I explained to you, first of all find this product and you press the minus, press exponential, multiply by 40. What it will give you is 39.60 kobo. This is the present value of our dividend. So after we have gotten the present value, go back to the main formula. What's our XO? Our XO is what? 900. So it will be 900 minus 39.60 all into what? Exponential. What R we use here? We use R that is 9 months. What's our R for 9 months? Is 4%. Please always consider all this. It is 4%, that's 0.04 multiplied by 9 all over 12. So remove 900 from 39. What do you get? That is, the answer will be 860.4. That's when we remove 39.6 from 900 into what? 0.04 multiplied by 0.75. That is, 9 over 12 is 0.75. So answer you get here, if you press it properly as I told you, it will be 886 naira 60 kobo. That is the theoretical price of the Ford. So, and in the same way, if Ford price, like the theoretical Ford price, this FO is not greater than what? Is greater than stock price minus dividend, present value of dividend. So we said we have what? We said we have an arbitrage opportunity. So an arbitrator can take the opportunity and do what? By buying the asset and short the forward contract. If it is like this, you can also buy the asset and short the forward contract. Buy the asset at 900 and short the forward contract. When you short the forward contract, what does that mean? You short the forward contract. Now, what it means that you take a short position in the forward contract. You take the short position in the forward contract. You are allowed to supply the asset. You are allowed to supply the asset. So that's on that. But if the theoretical price is less than this, it means that what do you do? As an arbitrator, you can make your profit by shorting the asset. You can sell the asset and you take a long position in the forward contract. And if the short sale is not possible, investor who own the asset will find it profitable to sell the asset and enter into longer future contracts. That is about taking arbitrage opportunity in the future market for the asset that pays what? A known income. What of asset, or when the investment asset is not paying no income but providing continuous yield? Is a yield that is paying, not a known income. So in this case, it means that income is known when expressed as a percentage of the asset price at the time the income is paid. And let's look at this example. Suppose that an asset is expected to provide what? A yield of 5%. That's the percentage yield from the asset per annum. So this could mean that income is paid once a year and is equal to what? To 5% asset price of the at the time it is paid. And in which case the yield will be what? Be 5% with annual compounding. So if this happens, the formula that we used to use when it is like this is what? Is also be stock price, that is a spot price, into exponential. But the difference we here R rate minus Q into time. And what is Q? Q is equal to the yield. And why do you remove yield from the rate? It's also the same way we remove dividend that is absolute from the stock price. You know, when we are talking about percentage, rate is what you are paying out, and Q is what is coming in. Before you can know exactly that is you are paying out, you have to remove what is coming in from what you are paying out. That is why you remove Q from the rate.